Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhet again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Telegram account. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, on your device, launch Telegram app, and now from the top left corner of your screen, tap on three-line icon and then again go to your profile by tapping on your profile. Once you tap on profile, scroll down, and in here you will not be able to see any kind of option that says delete account. So in order to delete your account, go to Telegram FAQ from the bottom of your screen. Now once you're loaded to this Telegram FAQ interface, again scroll down and then on this account setting you will see option at the third last that says delete your account. Once you tap on delete, here you can get all type of precautions before deleting your Telegram account. After that, to delete your Telegram account, tap on deactivation page. Once you tap on deactivation page, here you have to provide your phone number that you have used while logging to your Telegram account, and remember that you won't receive any login code on your mobile message app, but you will receive that number on your Telegram account. So provide your phone number. Once you're done with that, tap on next. Now go back to Telegram and then look for your confirmation code, and in here you will get your login code. Type the correct code right here. Once you're done with that, tap on sign in, and in here you have to provide your reason why you are leaving Telegram. Once you're done providing your reason, tap on delete account, and in here you will get two options that says yes, delete my account, or nope, I will give it another try. Once you tap on yes, delete my account, your account will be deleted. And this is how you can simply delete a Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.